and how to get some fantastic drawing effects with speedy sketching. Got him. Just call me quick on the draw Buchanan. Take a look. What do you think? Actually, you know, it's okay. It's not brilliant, but it doesn't matter. No harm done, no laws are broken, no one got hurt, apart from him. But this quick on the draw sketching technique is a great way to practice a quick sketch. And sometimes you get great results. Just quick on the draw. So, okay, here we go. Don't think about what you're drawing. Just let the pencil do the walking across the paper. Let the pencil do all the work for you. You just do a quick sketch. See that? Don't even think about what you're doing. Just lay it on really quick. Don't think about it. I don't know, think about something else. The footy match on Saturday, or your dance lesson, or you could even hum to yourself. Don't think about it. There you go. Done. See that? Not bad, eh? Well, don't worry about whether it's good or bad. Sometimes it'll be absolute rubbish, but other times you'll just capture a bit of magic. Now, just look at these. These were all done really quickly. That's good. And that one's good. And that one's good, but that one, pretty rubbish. Well, I've used pencil for these. It's the perfect sketching tool, but you can sketch with anything you want. Now, this quick on the draw, fast sketching technique is great for capturing sketches of things that move, like animals, sportsmen on the telly, or even dancers. And the more you practice quick on the draw sketches, the better you get. But the important thing about it, just draw what's there. So, okay, I'm going to do a really quick sketch of something that moves around a lot. My cameraman. Cooey. So here we go. Quick on the draw. Let's go for it. Just draw what's there. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just let your pencil or pen do the drawing. So there's the camera. And you've got all this bit going on down at the bottom here. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it does. I'll have to ask him later. He probably doesn't know either. But anyway, there it goes. And it goes there. So all these bits here. It doesn't need to be perfect again. And let's get that little box in the top up there. And all I'm trying to do is capture what's there very quickly. So I'll put Keith in as well. Like that. He'll have a whinge about this later. No, do I really look like that? Well, it doesn't matter. It's just capturing the energy of it. The hand around there, the arm. I'm just drawing in what I can see, and I'm letting the pencil do all the hard work, not thinking about it at all. And you can even put some shading in if you want. Again, just really quick. Put shading in there like that. And there it is, quick on the draw. Now, it's not perfect, but I think it's got energy and character. So go on, try it yourself, practice quick on the draw sketching, and don't worry if it's not brilliant every time, because with a bit of practice, you'll be able to capture things really quickly.